Hi, Top Analyze Math Industry. This time we're going to visualize the demand. So in the last video, we were looking at how demand changes and how it affects the suppliers and how it also talks about the perspectives of the buyers. So now, with our economic graph, we get to visualize what happens if we change the demand when we increase it and decrease it. So we already understood how we change the demand and what causes it. So we're going to start thinking about what happens if the demand goes up. So what would happen if demand goes up? The thing is, we did not change the supply, and also, the only thing that changed was the demand, not price. So, what looks like here is that there is going to be a shortage. The reason why we did this is because if you take a look at the price with the shortage, our new equilibrium is going to be right there. So we didn't move the equilibrium, we moved the graph from here to there. I mean the curve from here to there, which also moved the equilibrium on the supply and the new demand curve. So the price went from here all the way to, let's say, here. So the reason why there's a shortage is there are more buyers than sellers. And there's also more buyers than demanders. If we did not have the price happen, let's say we run a store. If there's more demand on a product that you sell and you want to make a profit, the only solution is to increase the price back up to the equilibrium, the agreement. So that is why it's a shortage. Because the demand goes up, so there's more people wanting the item. But the only way for you to make a really good profit is for you to raise the prices. Now, what happens if we do something else? What would happen if we decrease the demand in this case scenario? Well, if we decrease the demand, and instead of having a shortage, this is going to be called a surplus. The reason why we call this a surplus is all the stuff in the stores are sitting on the shelves. If this was our original equilibrium, then our new equilibrium would be right around here. So the only way to increase the demand back up is to lower the prices. So we want to lower the prices so people are willing to actually come into our stores and buy the stuff that we want to sell. So the only way for that to do that is to decrease the price into our new equilibrium. So if there's a shortage and you are a seller, then you want to increase the prices. If there's a surplus and you have a lot of stuff on the shelf, then you want to increase the prices for more demand. So that is how we can visualize the seller's perspective of demand and why and how it can change on an economic graph. I hope this video has helped you understand visualizing demand. Thank you for watching Top Analyze Math Industry. Like and subscribe.